Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams app not showing notifications. It could be a problem whereby you haven't set up your notification settings. For you to do this, just go on the top bar of your app, on these three dots, click on it, go under Settings. Under Settings, you need to scroll down to the left side to Notifications and Activity. And here is where you have to set up your notification. Make sure that this is off. Mute all notifications. You have to turn it off, okay? And then here, this is where you set up your notification. Make sure this is ticked on when you play sounds with notifications and play sounds with incoming calls, request to join a meeting start notifications. Also play sounds when I'm busy or in a meeting. Make sure that this is all on. And then here you can also see that the display of notifications, how it appear when it notifies you. On the bottom right, on the top right, and so on. And make sure that you activate this one. Chat message notifications shows in banner. And then also you have to make sure that this is also activated. Once after you do this, your notification system will be back on track and you're done.